Hi, it's Trisha Fulton here, and I thought it'd be really helpful to share a quick overview of Thrivecart for you. I get lots of questions from people through my YouTube channel and through my entrepreneurial circles, so here I am going to do my best to answer those top 5 questions that people are asking. If you've been considering using Thrivecart but you're not quite sure, I hope that this video helps you. Is Thrivecart software the right software for your business? My name's Trisha Fulton. I'm an entrepreneur and author, and Thrivecart is really core to running my business online. I sell digital products, courses, I give content away for free, and I'm also creating landing pages for clients that I work with. Thrivecart allows me to do this. One of the biggest standout features, other than simplicity, is the unlimited use that I have. I can connect unlimited domains, I can create unlimited landing pages and sales pages, I can create an unlimited amount of courses. So there's lots of different ways that you can use it. And if you're interested in learning how to go into the detail, check out my channel. I do have a few very detailed videos included there that you can follow that will help you do this. So let's just jump right in. Thrivecart is a very powerful software that can really revolutionize your online sales and help you grow your business. Whether you're a solopreneur or an entrepreneur looking to grow your small business, Thrivecart has a lot to offer you. Thrivecart, the first thing people ask is, what does it do and what does it offer? It's an all-in-one platform that's designed to simplify the process of selling products or services online. Thrivecart is a shopping cart software that handles payments, integrates with various tools, and automates the sales process. It's a sales funnel from start to finish. With Thrivecart, you can create checkout pages, sales funnels, and even manage your affiliate program all under the one umbrella and all from one centralized dashboard. How can Thrivecart help businesses with online sales? Well, there are several key benefits to using Thrivecart in your business for those who are looking to boost their online sales. First is it provides an excellent customer experience, a user experience for the people that are buying from you. And this is really important. If customers have a bad experience, they'll bounce away from the site that they're visiting, or they just won't convert to a sale. They make the checkout process really easy, clean, and uncomplicated, both for the customer and for the person setting it up. So right from start to finish, it provides a smooth and streamlined checkout experience, and it helps you increase conversion rates and reduce cart abandonment. Thrivecart also allows you to do upsells and order bumps, and by doing so, when you're setting up the page, you have an option to either have it as a single page checkout or a double page, but throughout that checkout, whichever one you choose, you can have a single click upsell, which means the customer doesn't have to do any more work to add an extra piece of valuable content to their shopping cart. When you're creating a product, you can create a single product, you can add in multiple upsells, you can create a longer funnel or simply a short funnel. Whatever is your target and your strategy, then you can complete that in Thrivecart. This allows you to maximize your average order value. It's also got a really easy integration system, so no matter what type of software you're using beyond Thrivecart, whether it be your email service provider, your analytics, your tracking, it's really fast and easy to integrate it, and there are a lot of great tutorials on the Thrivecart website. What integrations do Thrivecart support? One of the great strengths of Thrivecart is their extensive integration capabilities. For email marketing, it seamlessly integrates with major platforms such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit, and payment gateways, whether you choose to use PayPal, Stripe, or using Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can integrate all of those with ease and literally in just a few clicks. Thrivecart also integrates with membership platforms such as MemberPress and Teachable, making it a really good way to deliver digital products and manage member access. You can also create really beautiful checkout pages and upsells with order bumps. This is an example of a checkout page that someone has created using Thrivecart. Essentially, there are two parts to every checkout page, and all you need to think about when you're creating a checkout page or a sales page in Thrivecart is the layout. Each part of this page is a row or a block, and it's drag and drop technology. So you pick from a menu and you drop in and you literally move things around how you want them. If you go through any of my tutorials, I will show you how to do this. How easy is it to set up and use Thrivecart? Super easy. You don't need any tech experience at all. You don't even need to hire anybody to do it for you. You can literally drag and drop. The functionality has been made so that it's for people with limited amount of experience all the way through to very highly experienced technical people. While some technical experience is useful, it's not essential, but they do provide excellent documentation on their website, that's Thrivecart, and you'll find a ton of great videos on YouTube. Thrivecart's been designed to make the process as simple and easy as possible. What are some success stories and some case studies of people who've used Thrivecart? I've got 3 here for you. The first one is Jane. She's a course creator. When she transitioned, she was originally using Kajabi and she transitioned to Thrivecart. She saw an instant increase in her sales by 30%, and that was due to the simple checkout process and how easy it was for customers to get from the start to the finish without any of that distraction and complicated mess in the middle. Mark is an e-commerce provider, and he was able to see a significant boost in revenue by implementing upsells and order bumps, and this was able to increase his overall order value. And then there's myself. Simply in the first year of using Thrivecart, I saved more than $1,200 on my software costs just from one software product I was using before, which was ClickFunnels, and now I never have any costs again. Thrivecart's able to exceed any of my expectations. Wrapping up, Thrivecart's a really powerful tool that you can take a look at. You can create all types of pages in it. You can connect your own domain. It has a really easy user interface with the potential to increase conversions for you. There's lots of great video content on YouTube that you can watch. There's plenty of great people out there who are making templates that you can import into your Thrivecart account and create them, or you can simply have a go at creating them yourself using your own branding and your own style. At the end of this video, there are a couple of links that I think you would find really helpful. One is a link to a tutorial where I go through and show you how to create a landing page in Thrivecart, and the second video on how to actually use Thrivecart. If you are interested, go ahead and do that. I've also included a discount promotional code for Thrivecart to get access to the lifetime offer, and you can get that simply by clicking the links in these videos. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.